Here's how to install Epic Games Online Services, and when you actually need to do it manually. EOS installs automatically in most cases. Open the Epic Games launcher, sign in, and either launch a game or start installing one. EOS will download silently in the background as part of that process. Most people who search for how to install EOS never actually needed to do anything manually. If EOS did not install automatically or you're getting a missing file error, press Windows R to open Run and type this path exactly: C:\program files x86 /Epic Games /Epic Online Services, then press Enter. Look for Epic Online Services Installer.exe and double-click it. When the setup window appears, click either Install or Repair depending on what is shown. The Repair option is particularly useful if EOS is partially installed and just broken rather than fully missing. If neither of those work, the most reliable fix is to fully uninstall the Epic Games launcher, download the latest version from the official Epic website, and reinstall it fresh. EOS will come along with it automatically. An important tip: if your Epic game keeps asking for EOS, the problem is almost always with the launcher itself, not the game. Fix the launcher first before troubleshooting the game. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on step-by-click.